Hello students, so I again welcome you with an interesting point, dust of snow. Dust of snow. Students, when what comes into your mind when I say dust of snow? I think the small particle snow, dust of snow means small particle of snow. Like you can see the small particle of snow. So students, actually depends on the winter also. In India there is no dust of snow here, but here we are talking about the point in California in North America. And do you know students, in North America in winter season it's too hard and long season, and the people used to sit at home during this season, during winter. And this time also, if winter or summer what season is there, but this time तो during to COVID-19 people are at home. So ये इतना भयानक ठंड होती है, everybody wants to stay at home. So students, let's talk about the poet. The poet is here Robert Frost. Robert Frost, yeah, I think everybody knows about it. A renowned poet from America, from California, America. Born 1874, died 1963. Yeah, he was an American and he was an unofficial poet laureate of the United Kingdom States of America, the USA. I will put here the article because before the name of a group of country we use definite article, the USA, the UK, the UAE. Okay, his poetry is based on a rural life. Students, he also belongs to rural area. Most of the students belongs to city also. I also belong to rural area. So his poetry is based on rural life, so I think you will like it, this point. He also won Pulitzer Award. Okay, Pulitzer Award is a renowned award in the world. Now talk about some vocab part, vocabulary. Some new vocabs are there like hemlock. Hemlock is a tree, and hemlock is a poisonous tree. You can see here in the picture, students. This tree is a hemlock tree, and nobody wants to sit or nobody wants to play on that tree. Okay, because poisonous tree के पास कौन जाना चाहेगा? You? I don't want. Then root to destroy. Okay, to damaged, we can say. Dust as we know, dirt. Okay, धूल. So here कौन सी धूल की बात कर रहे हैं हम? Snow, ice की जो धूल होती है during the winter. So now come to the point. Setting of the point in North America country, North American country, trees there outside the house. Okay, कोई घर में नहीं लगा हुआ था. Outside the house there was a tree, and as you know that on tree you will find generally some birds, but during winter most of the birds, as you know that from the western countries they turn to southern countries like India. एंड यू नो ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड अमेरिका से हमारे देश में बर्ड्स आते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ पर ज़्यादा विंटर होता है एट दैट टाइम, एंड दे टुक नियर अबाउट 6 months students. दैट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग फॉर द बर्ड्स. इट्स अ मोटिवेशन फॉर अस. So here bird is sitting there, and this harsh and long and hard winter, only few animals or birds survive there. So one of them is a crow, and the color of crow is black, and it is a bad omen. Bad omen, O-M-E-N. तो crow को हम bad omen मानते हैं. हमारे घर की छत पे भी आके बैठ जाता है तो we throw stone at the crow. So here under the tree, तो क्रो आके कहीं से बैठा हुआ था ऑलरेडी. मे बी वी डोंट नो कब आके बैठा, हम ही तो अभी आए हैं. ओके, सो वी डोंट नो अबाउट इट. अंडर द ट्री देयर वाज अ पोएट. द पोएट वाज सिटिंग who the Robert Frost, or you can say the speaker was sitting there. क्यों बैठा यहाँ पे? Why he is sitting here? We don't know. Maybe उसकी घर पे लड़ाई हो गई होगी, अपनी वाइफ से लड़ाई करके आया है, बच्चों से लड़ाई करके आया है, या उसके ऑफिस के जो मैनेजर है उसने कुछ कह दिया. We don't know about what happened. But कुछ हो जाता. Nobody wants to stay outside. Students, during winter nobody wants to stay outside. सब अपने घर में कंबल में रजाई में घुसकर अपना सोना पसंद करते हैं. But ये पोइट इतनी सर्दी में यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? Because he was not in a good mood, student. He was sad, he was depressed, he was in tension, he was in stress. You can see his face, he was not happy. So what happened? If we go to the point now, the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Crow, snow, me, tree, A, B, rhyme scheme. Okay, so rhyme scheme is A, B, and what the poet is saying कि the way a crow shook down मतलब हिला दिया, है ना, मूव किया उसको, suddenly इसको dust of snow. Where is dust of snow? Dust of snow is the tree is covered with dust of snow. And we know American countries जब बर्फ ज्यादा गिरती है तो पूरा ट्री white हो जाता है. Suppose this tree is very white and he shook down from a hemlock tree. क्या गिरा? Dust of snow. कहाँ गिरा? I don't know. Let's move to the next part. Next stanza of the poem has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. So here what the poem is saying, has given my heart. So what happened? Hemlock tree से कुछ गिरेगा, नीचे पोइट बैठा है तो कहाँ गिरेगा? आपके हेड पे, मेरे हेड पे और पोइट के हेड पे. Yes, the poet's head, maybe on the shoulder, maybe on hands, okay, maybe on the eyes, eyebrow. उसके बॉडी पे गिरा कहीं ना कहीं. क्या गिरा है? Dust of snow. So what happened? So when the dust of snow fall down on poet's head, on poet's shoulder, so has given my heart. My heart refer to poet's heart. A change of mood. Now poet was like sad mood. कैसे होता sad mood? But suddenly, because of this dust of snow, because of the action of crow, the poet's mood became happy. The poet's mood became very happy, student. Now he is very happy and his mood has changed, and he was saying here he ensaved some part of a day, and the remaining part of the day, remaining moment of the life saved, जो ruined होने से सेव हो गया, बर्बाद होने से, डिस्ट्रॉय होने से, that will be saved. So students, here we can say that this is a poem. What the poet want to say? The poet want to say that sometimes small things in nature, they can give us pleasure. We know that the crow didn't do any miracle, but it changed poet's heart, poet's mood. छोटी छोटी चीजें जो अच्छी नहीं लगती हैं नेचर्स की, sometimes we don't like, they can also be the region of pleasure, of the happiness, students. We can find them surrounding us. Sometimes we feel that COVID-19 is there, pandemic is there, too heat is there, too winter is there, भगवान ये क्या कर रहा, nature क्या कर रहा है. So students, we can learn from the nature कि even the roast thing, hemlock tree, crow, they are not the symbol of happiness or sadness. No, they are the symbol of bad omen. अच्छे नहीं माने जाते उनको. Even then we get pleasures. The poet gets pleasures from them. The poet gets pleasures, happiness. तो छोटी छोटी चीजें भी नेचर में ऐसी हैं, छुपी हुई हैं, जो हमें खुशियां दे सकती हैं, स्टूडेंट. So now talk about rhyme scheme. As we know that A B. What it? Let's talk about the poem. this poem is written only a single sentence, students. So we can say the shortest poem in the collection, in the poetry collection. No full stop, no quotation, no punctuation mark is there in between. So next point we can say, students, in this poem assignment is there. Assignment होता है आपका when a sentence continue without stopping, without any punctuation mark to the next line. Okay, that is called assignment. Without any full stop, without any question mark, वो sentence आपका continue है next line में भी. So we can say assignment. Next, assonance is there, students. Assonance होता है repetition of vowel sound. Repetition of vowel sound. So you can find shop, o, down, o, okay, down, shop, down, o, me. So assonance is there, and next alliteration is there. Alliteration, students, repetition of consonant sound in a sentence, in a line, has, hard. Got it? You will find here the repetition of consonant sound. So students, this was all about the poem. Now students, we can talk about something. So students, we can discuss some textual questions in the poem, like what is a dust of snow, and what does the poet say has changed his mood. So dust of snow, as we know, that small particle of snow, and the poet says, what does the poet says? The poet says the action of the crow. Okay, a crow shook down a small particle of snow on him, and his mood has changed, and his day has shifted, and his mood has changed from sad to happy. Next, how does Frost present nature in the poem? And students, you can say the nature is a roast nature the poet present here. नेचर का एक बैड जो चीज़ें हैं उनको पेश करता है पोइट, लाइक ट्रीज इज पॉइजनस एंड क्रो एंड विंटर सीजन इट्स वेरी हार्ड एंड लॉन्ग सीजन. ये सारी चीज़ें क्या हैं, और दीज आर द नॉट गुड इन नेचर. So hemlock tree, we know that poisonous tree, students. And students, what are the birds that are usually named in the poem? So generally the poet, which type of birds the poets use? Poet कौन से words use करते हैं? Like peacock, like sparrows, like pigeons, okay, and like peacock, and many birds are there. अच्छे जो birds हैं, शुभ जो होते हैं, अच्छे होते हैं, उनको यूज करता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज देयर कि पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड इन लाइफ कैन मेक द वर्ल्ड अ बेटर प्लेस टू लिव. या कैन अ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड मेक द वर्ल्ड अ बेटर प्लेस टू लिव? यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट एंड यू कैन आंसर इन कॉमेंट. स्टूडेंट्स, it was all about the poem. Let me brief it within 1 minute. So we were talking about the dust of snow and the writer Robert Frost, American writer. Some new words: hemlock tree, rude dust, and the name of the tree is hemlock tree. In winter season, very hard and very tough season, a crow was sitting there, and the poet was sitting under the tree. The action of the crow shook down the dust of snow, small particle of the snow, and poet was in sad mood, and his mood has changed into sad to happy. So that's all about the poem, students. I hope that you enjoyed the poem. So for more detail, you need to go through the poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.